Whether we are there or not, ITSPmagazine still gets the best stories. Plenty of conferences and events spark our curiosity and allow us to start conversations with some of the world's brightest minds. In person or virtually, Sean Martin and Marco Ciappelli go on location and sit down with them at the intersection of technology, cybersecurity, and society. Together, we discover what the synergy of these three elements means for the future of humanity.
Here's a sponsored press release we think you'd be interested in. Black Hat, the cybersecurity industry's most established and in-depth security event series, today announced the release of its content lineup for Black Hat Europe 2024. The live in-person event will take place at the XL London from December 9th to December 12th and feature 41 briefings hand-selected by the Black Hat Europe Review Board, 4 days of trainings, 25 sponsored sessions, and 64 in-person tool demos, and 3 labs at Black Hat Arsenal. Briefings highlights include SpAIware and more, advanced prompt injection, exploits in LLM applications, SysBumps, exploiting speculative execution in system calls for breaking, KASLR in macOS for Apple Silicon, WorstFit, unveiling hidden transformers in Windows ANSI. Trainings highlights include assessing and exploiting control systems and IIoT, fundamentals of cyber investigations and human intelligence, attacking DevOps pipelines, offensive mobile reversing and exploitation, advanced cloud incident response in Azure and Microsoft 365. Black Hat Arsenal at Black Hat Europe 2024 tool demo highlights include Campus as a living lab, an open-world hacking environment, Pandora, exploit password management software to obtain credential from memory, Morion, a tool for experimenting with symbolic execution on real-world binaries. You can learn more about this release and register for Black Hat Europe 2024 by visiting blackhat.com/EU-24. Thank you for listening.
We hope you enjoyed this episode of Sean and Marco's on-location event coverage conversations. Please take a moment to give the show a good rating and leave a comment. Remember to share this podcast with your friends, family, and colleagues. Come back for more conversations and follow Sean Martin and Marco Ciappelli as they continue their journey toward redefining cybersecurity and society.